So over here you can see that I have some video clips on my timeline, and if I were to press the play button, then you can see that I got this video right here, then you got this video, and so forth. So if I were to go around and let's say overlap this, I can add in a transition to this as well. So you got a kind of an effect over here. So once you do all the editing and so forth, then what you may want to do is export out videos. So to do that, once you are over here, you can go around onto the top and click on the export button. And over here on the left side, you can see that you got many options to choose from, as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here and select S.264 high profile right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on from timeline as an option right here. So timeline is the source of the clip now, and I'm going to click on export file. And now I can simply go around onto the place I want. So in my case, I'm just going to go around and go to desktop right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around onto desktop. And in desktop, I'm just going to go around and then export this video out. I'm going to hit save right here, just like this. And then what happens is that over here on the job section, you can see that the video is being processed out. So all of the transitions that you see right here and all of the clips, it is being processed out. And depending on the length of the video and the processing power of your system, this does take a bit of time. So I'm just going to skip the part where until the processing actually ends. So now you can see that the process has ended now, and you can see the check mark right here. And if I were to minimize this on my desktop, you can see the video clip. So if I were to double click, now what happens is that according to the editing, you can see the first video clip, then you see the transition right here and see the second video clip right here, and then you see the transition and see the third video clip. And that is how the exporting option works inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.